So everyone is buying these toys here. I don't know why. It's like very very busy here. It's like all these toys. Everyone wants to buy these. I don't know what it is though. Maybe it's like a wholesale place. I don't know. Look, it's like man, everyone wants to buy it.
มีตัวละ25 บาทพี่รัก19พอแล้วนี่10ได้นะ25 บาท25 บาทมีใครมา
I have no idea. But maybe we should export those to Europe. Seems to be very, I don't know, seems to be very popular here. I think it's wholesale and they sell it at their own shops, I think.
Yeah?
I think so.
I have no clue. It seemed only toys to me.
Yeah, but
like this woman was buying like 20 of them, all the same.
I don't know, it's really weird.
Maybe they resell it? I have no clue.
I think so.
There was, I think, one child looking there, all adults.
Yeah, all adults. It is mayhem here, mayhem. But I like it. Fried banana, fried chicken. Good stuff. This is a very local market. Like I have maybe seen one other tourist couple here, but the rest of everyone is just like locals from here. I'm guessing a lot of Chinese people because it's a Chinatown, but yeah, we're the only tourists, so to speak, which is nice. Like, it gives like a nice local feeling. There's some kind of performance here as well. Do you know what it was?
It was like a meditation book, she said. It's 3 books in one.
Oh yeah, they tried to give us a book.
And they said, we want to give you this book and you can make a donation for 300 baht. So I have to buy the book, of course. But yeah, no, not for me. But it was really sweet.
I think that was Hinduist,
I think
right?
she said about finding your soul and about meditation. I don't really know.
And the book had aspects of all religions.
Yeah, she
right?
said it's not really a... This is the book. Show them.
Yeah, what is it called? I can't read it.
Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita. Yeah, all the interesting stuff you see. So the market is huge, guys. So we have to cross the road and then the market continues. And we haven't even gone to the side roads yet, but it's massive. Look at this. Oh yeah, and also, this is the most tallest building of Bangkok. The King Power, the King Power Tower. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see it, but that's the tallest building. Alright, so there's a temple here. It looks nice. So this is the temple. Yeah, this is a Chinese temple. I think it's Buddhistic temple. I can see a lot of Buddhas in the background. Cool. Imagine you're an electrician here in Bangkok and there's a problem with the electricity and you have to solve it. Look at this. How are you going to solve this? you just pray that the cable that you replaced is the right one because that's crazy. So the keychains here, like all these are 150. Like if you buy this like just one in a normal shop, it's already like 150. And here, like 12 of these tuk-tuks are 60 baht in total. That's 150. All these earrings were 84.
No, it's okay. We like this one.
Wow. This is nuts, just crazy. How can this be?
These are Christmas balls. I don't know how you call it. What is the name?
I don't know, I think like tree balls.
Balls for the Christmas tree?
It's 80 baht. 80
This
baht?
is like 90 baht. So let's say 250
And in the Netherlands?
euros. In the Netherlands, if you go to like, we have like this garden shop. You
Yeah.
buy there almost all your Christmas stuff. And it would be like 10 euros, easy.
Yeah. Ooh, look at this alleyway. I love this alleyway. This reminds me of Istanbul a little bit. Maze of alleyways. If you need an engine, it's probably here. Look how many engines. It's all, I think, scrap, but you never know here. A lot of engines. And gearboxes as well. So, if you need any, might find it here. And another small alleyway. I love alleyways. And this is where people live. Yeah, they're all houses. Very interesting place. Alright, so that was the market. It's a very bustling place. You can find anything for very cheap, and there's also food. We didn't try it, but there's some good food options as well. So if you like this video, if you want to see more, comment, like and follow, and hope to see you on the next one.